Hi. It's DMV Test Buddy again. There are often unexpected situations on the road. Road works, accidents, disabled traffic lights, and so on. Today I suggest considering one of these situations. How quickly you navigate such a situation can determine not only whether you have a fine, but also unpleasant consequences, collisions. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Who has the advantage in the situation shown? A. The driver of the gray car. B. The driver of the red car. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So, let's figure it out. In order to answer the question posed in the condition, we need to analyze the picture with the task in more detail. In front of the obstacle, there is a shield with two road signs attached to it. On the left is a sign, Road Works, and on the right is a sign, Bypass the obstacle on the right. On the road, we can see the main white markings, as well as orange markings, which are temporary. In cases where the meaning of road signs, including temporary ones, and horizontal marking lines contradict each other or the markings are not clearly visible, drivers must be guided by road signs. In cases where the lines of temporary markings and the lines of permanent markings contradict each other, drivers must be guided by the lines of temporary markings. According to the lines of temporary markings, the driver of the white car will continue to move in his lane, but the driver of the blue car changes lanes. In this case, we need to refer to the rule. When changing lanes, the driver must give way to vehicles moving in the same direction without changing the direction of travel. When simultaneously changing lanes of vehicles moving in the same direction, the driver must give way to the vehicle on the right. Guided by this rule, we can conclude that the driver of the gray car has the right of way. Accordingly, the correct answer is option A, the driver of the gray car. Let's see how many of you were able to solve this task. Write in the comments if you answered correctly the first time.